diesel. That was diesel.
Oh, well, kangaroos on the road. Woo! That was a close one.
Fuck! That would have been fucking close.
Oh god, did you even look? Bloody hell. What the hell is this man doing?
I think whatever the hell they want. Can't do that. Did you get that?
Yep.
Classic. You meant to blink it before you merge, but you know, whatever helps you focus. Don't you dare. What the fuck? Fucking hell, what the fuck? Fucking twat. In the fucking rain.
Go.
Is a child driving that car? Can I see their head?
Continue on Boundary Road for 1.5 kilometres.
Whoever it is that they don't know how to drive.
Oh my god, they are like fucking poor person.
They drive it.
Yeah, okay.
You donkey! What in the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, he didn't stop. Well done. That's another.
Oh my god. Good driving, Keys. Kids in the car as well. Awesome. That's some awesome driving. Here he goes again. You got kids in the car. You F-wit. Look at this clown. Oh my god. Oh.
Red light camera, 200 meters ahead.
As of this instant, Junior, we're in hot pursuit.
Fuck me. Fuck it.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Fucking hell.
Why, you silly? Jesus, woman!
You gotta be shitting me!
Do you not read the fucking sign? Oh, and we're gonna go through a red light while we're at it.
You go on, you
And now
dumb
we're getting to
cunt.
the point where, like,
Fuck off.
about frame rates going from 60 to 120.
You fucking idiot.
100 something.
Fuck you fucking cockhead.
And then resolution 2 getting from 1080 to
Fucking wanker.
to 8K.
10.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
Fuck. It's a fucking red light, you dickhead.
Probably didn't do that ever again, did he?
Shouldn't have done it the first time.
You're young and you're 18, you do stupid things. You gonna tell me you didn't
Yeah,
do
red
things?
lighter. That's a good one for Jerry Springer show. And he's actually turning right. Look at that. He's turning right into no right turn street. Mate, he should appear on the Jerry Springer show.
That's it for today. This episode was produced by Hannah Moore, sound design was by Axel Kacoutier, the executive producers are Nicole Jackson and Phil Maynard.